Hello, and welcome to Lake Lansing. Over the years, many folks have worked very hard to protect and manage Lake Lansing. This video has been developed to let you know about all the good work that's been done and how the Lake Lansing Management Program is organized. The management of Lake Lansing is funded through the Lake Lansing Special Assessment District, or the SAD, or SAD. Properties within the SAD include lakefront properties, known as Tier 1, backlot properties, Tier 2, and additional contributions from Meridian Township, Ingham County, and Michigan State University. Work on Lake Lansing is overseen by the SAD Advisory Committee, which includes representatives from Tier 1, Tier 2, Meridian Township, Lake Lansing County Park, and the Ingham County Drain Commissioner's Office, with assistance from the Advisory Committee's environmental consultant, Progressive AE of Grand Rapids. Management of Lake Lansing has consisted of nuisance aquatic plant control, watershed management, water quality monitoring, and information and education. The plant control program has several goals. These include protecting beneficial native aquatic plants in order to maintain water quality and to maintain fish and wildlife habitat, controlling exotic, non-native plants, and maintaining navigability and recreational access. As part of the plant control program, aquatic plants are surveyed in Lake Lansing periodically throughout the growing season. The purpose of the plant surveys is to locate plant beds using a global positioning system, GPS, determine plant species and density, and map areas targeted for control. Nuisance aquatic plants are controlled in Lake Lansing by applying aquatic herbicides and by mechanical harvesting. Aquatic herbicides are applied in Lake Lansing under permit from the Michigan Department of Environment, Great Lakes, and Energy. Herbicides are used to treat nuisance plants that cannot be harvested. For example, the exotic plant Eurasian milfoil spreads further when it's cut, so herbicides are the preferred method of control for plants such as Eurasian milfoil. In addition, herbicides are used to treat areas of nuisance plant growth where harvesting machines can't reach, such as very shallow or very deep areas, and between docks and rafts. Mechanical harvesting is advantageous because plant matter is removed from the lake and therefore it won't decompose on the lake bottom where it would form fertilizer for next year's plant growth. Harvesting is used to target specific areas of nuisance plant growth, such as boating lanes or floating mats. Watershed management involves reducing the input of pollutants, such as plant nutrients and sediments, from the drainage area surrounding the lake, known as the watershed. Lake Lansing's watershed is roughly 4.5 times larger than Lake Lansing itself. Water and pollutants make their way to Lake Lansing by sheet flowing over the land directly into the lake, by flowing in through tributary streams, and through the stormwater drainage system that shunts water from streets, sidewalks, and other hard surfaces into pipes that discharge into Lake Lansing. One component of the Lake Lansing Watershed Management Program is stormwater management. Since 2008, the type, size, and location of all discharge pipes have been inventoried and prioritized. Where appropriate, inserts have been installed in catch basins to trap pollutants to prevent them from flowing into the lake. The basins are periodically cleaned to remove pollutants from the system. Another component of the Watershed Management Program has been the installation of a rain garden at Lake Lansing Park South. The existing underground pipe that drained stormwater directly into Lake Lansing was removed and replaced with a rain garden. Vegetation planted in rain gardens help to filter runoff, which improves water quality. Lake water quality has been monitored in Lake Lansing since 1999. Samples have been collected from within the lake itself and from tributary streams and drains. Within Lake Lansing, samples have been collected from the two deep basins in spring and late summer, and the samples have been analyzed to measure a variety of parameters that are important in determining lake water quality. Samples have also been collected from tributary streams and drains to determine the quantity and quality of runoff that enters the lake. The final component of the Lake Lansing Management Program is to provide information to various Lake Lansing stakeholders, including presentations and answering questions at the annual Lake Lansing Property Owners Association LLPOA meeting, providing updates to the LLPOA website, plant control email alerts, informational videos, and township and county meeting updates. We thank you for your continued interest and support of the Lake Lansing Management Program.